Hi, in this video I wanted to show you the drinking bottle that I got. So this is the Nalgene drinking water bottle. I got it from Amazon. It has many good characteristics. So first of all, it can hold the quantity of water up to 1 liter or 32 ounces. And it is BPA free, and it is dishwasher safe, and also it is impact resistant. So the thing that I liked about this bottle is that it has a narrow opening, and this is not to spill water whenever you want to drink something. One thing also that I like about this bottle is that the cap here is attached to the bottle, so you cannot lose it. So let me now remove the packaging. You have here perforation on the packaging, so you can remove it like this. It should be easy. So here's the packaging removed, and you have the label of Nalgene here. And you have the graduation that stays, which is a very good thing. And now what I'll be doing is that I'll be performing an impact resistant test on this bottle. So I'll be dropping it, and I'm gonna show you if it holds up. First, I'm gonna drop it while it's empty. Then I'm gonna drop it while it has water almost to the top, like this. So let's perform the test. So here I have a hardwood floor, and here I'm dropping the bottle. It is completely empty. And you see the bottle rebounds, and there are no scratches anywhere. The bottle didn't break, and no like cracks or anything of that sort. So now I will be performing the same test, but with the bottle filled. So I filled the bottle to almost 1 liter with water. And now I'm dropping it, and the bottle rebounds. And this is a particularly hard test on water bottles, especially with the test I'm doing now, because the bottle landed at an angle, and because it is filled, the impact was really hard. So they might break, but not in the case of the Nalgene water bottle. So as you see, there are no scratches at all, no cracks, not even like any sign of wear from the drop. So at the end, I'm gonna say that this bottle is really good. It takes some beating and it doesn't break. So this will be a really good bottle for my son to go to school, because this will be the 5th water bottle and hopefully the last one in 2 months at school.